Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about why kiwi cake is the vibrant dessert you need to try. From its bright color to its refreshing flavor, this dessert is a fun twist on classic cakes. Let's dive in and see what makes kiwi cake so special. Have you ever stared at a dessert table and felt bored by the usual rotation of chocolate and vanilla? If you want something that pops with color and zesty flavor, it's time to talk about kiwi cake. This treat is a refreshing alternative to heavy, buttery desserts that often feel too rich after a big meal. With its bright green hue and flavor profile that sits right between tangy and sweet, it brings a tropical energy to any kitchen. Whether you're looking for a light snack or a showstopper for a summer party, this cake offers a unique bite. We'll explore why this fruit works so well in baking, how to handle its specific chemistry, and the best ways to prep your kitchen for a successful bake. What makes kiwi cake so special? The first thing you'll notice about a kiwi cake is the visual appeal. Unlike most fruits that turn a dull brown or yellow when baked, the kiwi keeps much of its emerald charm. But the real magic lies in the texture and the balance of flavors. Kiwi flesh is soft and yielding, yet it contains dozens of tiny black seeds. These seeds don't just look pretty. They provide a very slight, satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with a soft cake crumb. Most cakes rely heavily on sugar to carry the flavor, but the natural acidity of the kiwi does something better. It cuts through the sweetness, preventing the dessert from feeling cloying. This tartness acts as a palate cleanser, making every bite feel light. Because you're using fresh fruit, you also get a boost of vitamin C and fiber, which is a nice bonus when you're indulging in a sweet treat. It's a dessert that feels a bit more alive than your standard pantry staple bakes. Flavor profiles and pairings. Kiwi is a versatile team player in the world of fruit. It has a profile that reminds many people of a mix between a strawberry and a pineapple, which opens up a lot of doors for creative pairings. If you want to lean into the tropical side, coconut is a natural partner. Coconut milk in the batter or shredded coconut on top pulls out the creamy notes of the fruit. For something more zingy, adding lime zest or a splash of lime juice can amplify the zing that makes kiwi so famous. The base of the cake matters just as much as the fruit itself. To let the kiwi shine, you should avoid heavy, dense pound cakes. Instead, look toward a light sponge, a chiffon base, or a fluffy yogurt cake. These airy structures allow the moisture of the kiwi to integrate without turning the whole thing into a leaden block. When the cake is light, the fruit feels like a highlight rather than a soggy addition. Lime increases acidity and brightens the green color. That's it for the first part of our kiwi cake guide. We've covered what makes this dessert unique and why it stands out from traditional cakes. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.